Hi guys, how are you? This is Ed from my Locksmith. Today we're going to do a Grand Cherokee 2018. The guy have one key, which is here. You want to make a second key. I have keys over here, so we're going to make a second key for him. We're going to start pulling out the plastics, this one and this one, in order to get it the connector to do the programming. This is the first piece. Basically the connector is right here inside. I need to take this plastic off in order to get inside also. So we're gonna start with this one. I can even try to put this here. Let's try. I'm gonna get the cable, 1 second. Okay, I brought the computer. It's right here. And this is the special connector. It's not going to be OBD programming. They changed the system. So I'm going to try to put this inside without taking the plastic. If I cannot do it, we're going to take it out. No, I cannot do it. I see it now. I need to take the plastic down. Probably need to erase the old keys because it's not the first time this customer called. It's maybe this is the third time, so probably the slots full of keys. I'm not sure, but anyway, I'm going to clear the old keys and we're going to program the customer old key and our new key. If I remember, we need 8 sockets. I have it over here with extension. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be, no, it's 7. If I'm not wrong, it's gonna be a 7. Yeah, it's a 7. It's only one screw need to be removed, if I remember well. Yeah, okay. This one is out. Also this corner, to make sure we have an easy access. Okay. Now let's take the connector, this one. Down. Right. I need another
Tedious?
15 minutes.
It's tedious?
Yeah, because it's not a regular. They basically changed the system after 2017.
Okay.
So it's a lot more complicated. Okay, so this is the connector I want to show you. 1 second. You see where it's plugged? It's plugged right here. If you see, 1 second, if you see the black one, this one, the top one, this is the connector. And the OBD part, 1 second. And the OBD, this is basically the OBD gonna be connecting to the other cable with the plug, as you see. Then we're gonna connect this one into the machine. Okay, inside the system. This is 2018 Grand Cherokee 18. 1918. That's one token. Ignition is off. Hazard it's on. Let me pull out one key. Okay, so this is our key. As you see, nothing is working. And then we're gonna go erase keys. Yes. Okay, keys program are 0. So we're gonna go over here, program keys, play. Okay. Okay. Okay, we need to put a key over here and we need to press it. Sometimes it's gonna do a cycle on the door, sometimes not. So this key, still not. Let me try the customer key first. Okay, we have one key programmed, as you see. It's probably gonna be the customer key. No, maybe our key. Yeah, it's our key. It's the first one to program. So now let's do the customer key. Okay. Now program keys again. 2 keys in the system. This is the one. You hear it. The one. That was the customer key. This is our key. That's it. Anything you need, Locksmith Brooklyn, 718-504-5625. Now I need to put all this back. It'll take me a few more minutes, but actually we're done. So anything you guys need, give us a call.